Once you fully delete or close your Cash App account, it is usually permanent. Cash App does not offer a simple self-service recovery option for completely deleted accounts. However, you can try the following steps. Step-by-step recovery attempt. Reinstall Cash App. Delete and reinstall the latest version of the Cash App. Try logging in. Open the app and enter the phone number or email previously linked to the deleted account. Follow any verification prompts, SMS code, email code, etc. Contact Cash App support, most effective method. In the app, tap your profile, support, something else, account and settings, close your Cash App account or similar. Explain that you want to recover or reopen your account. Provide your old cash tag, phone number, email, and any linked bank or card details. Be ready for identity verification, ID upload, selfie, etc. If the account was closed by Cash App, not self-deleted, you can appeal the closure. Support may review and reinstate it, though success is not guaranteed. Note, your old cash tag cannot be reused on a new account. Transaction history may not be fully restored. Act quickly if you have funds remaining.